This program contains frank and mature discussions intended to educate and advocate on the subjects of sexuality, sex, and gender and body positivity. Due to the nature of the topics being discussed, this may include subject matter and language that some may find offensive. This program is intended for adults only. If you are under the age of 18, if such material offends you, or if it is illegal to view such material in your community, please exit now.
Brown chicken, brown cow. 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 This is fun. Brown chicken, brown cow. Brown chicken, brown cow.
Welcome to the Brown Chicken Brown Cow, your adult, sex-positive, body-positive, gender-positive talk show. I am Monkey Mackany. Over here we have, what, you gonna laugh at me for that?
Yes, I am so glad you know your name today. This is a really good sign for the entire podcast. The entire podcast. I'm Laura.
There you go.
I know my name. And we're here with our other favorite host.
Did you forget my name? They forgot
Yes.
my name. No, I'm Heather Beth, and this is my monkey. This is my cock.
Can't remember
This
the
is
name.
my chicken, my brown chicken.
Okay, and who do you have with you, Laura?
This is a cow.
And I don't think cows come this small. I really don't.
Not true. They make miniature cows now. I saw them online. That means they're real.
Are they teacup cows?
They're like tiny little, like pony cows.
Pony cows.
The only reason I remember is because I saw them and immediately had to post them on a friend's page. I was like, you need one in your yard.
Tiny cow.
I think we can all use a tiny cow in our yard, but that's just me.
Yes.
Goats, cows, little tiny horses. Have a tiny farm. Oh, geez.
Sounds a lot like an ant farm.
Yeah.
Could have farm. Well, welcome to the show. This has been a month, an amazing month of the whole legal, financial, medical, and social considerations for non-traditional individuals in relationships and stuff like that. So it's been a really fun month. I mean, we've had a lot of people on, right?
Yeah, we've had, doctors, life coaches, other people. Heather.
We've had a tax attorney.
There we go. Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say. Like
I took yours.
I was very. Yeah, I can't talk about it now. No, I was actually really surprised about how interesting the interview was with the tax attorney.
Oh, yeah.
With Christopher, I was like, taxes. But then, taxes. I don't know. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, we got into so much stuff. If you haven't caught up on all of our shows this last month, go back and look us up on iTunes, on your podcast app. And I'm stumbling over my words because I just washed my mouth. Can't do a thing with it.
Did you say cowed up?
Cowed
like
up?
brown chicken, brown cow. Are you cowed up on all the episodes?
Are you cowed?
I'm really concerned about you guys.
Someone's trying to be punny over there. All right.
Being funny.
So I want to point out, too, that those aren't the only people we talked to this month. We
No.
did talk to, nurses, teachers, a health coach, and sex educators. So it was a pretty busy month for us.
It sure was.
And we have more people to talk to.
We do. I'm so excited.
We have more people on the show today?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
We're not just going to stand here and sit here and stare at each other and play with our fuzzy animals.
Well, we're going to talk
that
about
was
those
already
people in a moment because with everything else that we've learned this month about all the organizations and tools out there for you to, go out and hunt for, and people who are willing to and begging you to come to them to help you go through any of your issues that you may be having. There are other organizations that we have. One of the biggest out there, and many of you know what this is Planned Parenthood. Just go to PlannedParenthood.org. Planned Parenthood works to educate and empower communities, provide health care, lead the productive rights movement, and advance global health. They do a lot of great work, and we need to get more people understanding that they aren't what some people think they are. They provide a lot of health and a lot of options for a lot of people, especially women's health. And so it's a great organization.
And I think that they actually are, in many areas, a provider of health for transgender folks as well, which is not something that is accessible in a lot of areas. So pretty cool. Yeah.
So
You guys, I think you guys covered that pretty thoroughly.
Well,
I just am nodding in agreement. I have nothing to add.
who would you like to talk about?
I think I want to talk about the Center for Excellence for Transgender Health. So you can find them online. They have a really fun website that I'm not going to read on the air because you probably won't understand what I'm saying anyways. So their mission is to increase access to comprehensive, effective, and affirming healthcare services for the transgender community. They do a lot of interesting things. So they combine unique resources and strengths of a nationally renowned training and capacity building institution called the Pacific AIDS Education and Training Center, and an internationally recognized leader in HIV prevention research, the Center for AIDS Prevention Studies, and both of which are housed in the University of California in San Francisco. Their ultimate goal is to improve overall health and well-being of transgender individuals by developing and implementing programs in response to the community's needs.
Yeah,
So that's pretty cool.
So what is that website again?
I will read it now for your listening pleasure. It's http://transhealth.ucsf.edu. And that is where you'll find them.
Okay.
Or you could probably just Google Center Transgender Excellence.
See, that's what I would do.
Yay, Google.
Because I cannot spell.
Or there's a strong likelihood it'll appear on screen.
Yes.
Now, these are only a few of the organizations that we handpicked to spotlight for this episode, right? Yeah. There are so many more out there, and I know those of you out there probably have dozens, if not hundreds, if not thousands, that, share with us, share with the other people who watch the show. Go out to our YouTube, put it in the notes, come out to our website, send us a note, go to our Facebook page, do all the things, because it does help others, and you're actually doing a very small thing, but it could be very huge for somebody out there who didn't know something that actually existed out there.
Yeah, be a part of the conversation.
Yeah.
Do
So,
it.
so you know what? Coming up next, we have a great interview. Anybody?
do.
We do. You want to say who it is?
I do. We're
Yeah.
interviewing Toby Adams.
Mm-hmm.
She is a lawyer, and she works, I don't know if for or with is the right word to use, the intersex and gender, the intersex and genderqueer recognition project.
There you go.
And it's pretty cool, and I'm really excited to talk to her about it, so I think it's going to be great.
It'll be great.
Shall we get
Looking
started?
forward to it. Let's do it.
Is there anything else you want to talk about? Any?
Oh, I'm being tested. March is Social Work Month. Ah!
I'm wearing plague socks today.
Oh, yeah.
That's my fun sock of the month. So.
What have I got? I just got blue.
Oh, my socks are really fun, but they're covered by boots. But they have sheep on them that are white, and then sheep at the top that are rainbow, and they say, I'm the rainbow sheep of the family. That's all. I got them at Strapping Store, which is here in Sacramento, which is a queer-run store, and I super love them. That's all. We'll maybe interview those people sometime. Yeah. Strapping.
All right.
Oh, wait, can I share one more thing?
Oh, absolutely.
Why do I need to ask permission?
I don't
I'm
know.
on the show. I'm going to share a thing.
You got to
All right.
share things.
I'm a co-host. Okay. So we launched our blogs this month.
Yeah.
I don't remember if we talked about
A
that.
whole
on
new
the
whole new
floor.
website, as a matter of
A
fact.
whole new website. Okay, I have to stop, otherwise, copyright.
That's what went through my head.
Yes.
So we started on a whole new website. Yeah, I know. I don't worry about these. What are you guys looking at?
And our website is bcbcpodcast.com, and it features all kinds of fun articles, links to our YouTube channel, links to our Patreon. Maybe throughout the show today we could talk a little bit about what our blogs are. That would be kind of cool if that happened. I'm a goat. And we're out.